Hello children, I am Prasanna. Welcome to my channel Mathematics by Prasanna Lakshmi. Today in this video I am going to explain what is meant by percentage and how to convert percentage as a fraction, fraction as a percentage and percentage as a decimal and decimal as a percentage. Okay, so first we are going to learn the meaning of percent. So before explaining meaning of percent, I would take one example children so that you will understand clearly, right? So here suppose Pinky, suppose name of one girl, okay, Pinky got the 4 monthly test of mathematics marks. So in the first test, if she got 6 out of 10 and in the second test if she got 18 out of 20 and in the third test if she got 20 out of 25 and in the fourth test if she get 35 out of 50. So in the first unit test she got 6 out of 10 marks, in the second unit test 18 out of 20 marks, third unit test 20 out of 25 marks and fourth unit test 35 out of 50 marks. But she is confused here. Even we are also confused, right? In which hand she scored the highest? If I ask you, so which is the better test, means in which test she got the better marks? Can you say children now? If the total marks are same, we can say for example 18 out of 25, 20 out of 25, 22 out of 25, 15 out of 25. If the total marks are same, we can easily say that which marks are better. Here which marks are better? 22 out of 25 marks are better. But in this above example, the total marks are not same. So she is confused. That she is getting confused in which test she got the highest. So how could she compare them when each test had been marked out of different number? So to find out in which test she do better, we would compare 6 by 10, 18 by 20, 20 by 25 and 35 by 50 by converting them into equivalent fractions. You know what are equivalent fractions? So we will convert into equivalent fractions having a common denominator. So here first we will find LCM of 10, 20, 25 and 50. Right children? So if you find the LCM, you will get how much? Here I will find 10, 20, 25, 50. So if you take 5 2s are, 5 4s are, 5 5s are, 5 10s are. Next to 1s are, 2s are, 5s are, 5s are. Next to 1s are, 1s are, 5s are, 5s are. Next to 5, 1s are, 1s are, 1s are, 1s are. So 5 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 25s are 100. So LCM is 100. Now LCM of 10, 20, 25 and 50 you got as 100 children. So we should make all these denominators as 100. Then if the denominators are same, we can compare the numerator and we can find out in which unit test she got more. Now first one, if I take 6 by 10. So 10 is the denominator. For 10 how much we should multiply to get 100? Because 100 is the LCM. So 10. So 6 by 10 into 10 by 10, that is nothing but 60 by 100. Right? And next one is 18 by 20. For 20 how much we should multiply to get 100? 25s are. So 18 by 20 into 5 by 5. That is 18 5s are 90, 25s are 100. Right? Next one is what? 20 by 25. So denominator is 25. For 25 how much we should multiply to get 100? 4. So 20 by 25 into 4 by 4. That is 80 by 100. Next last mark is 35 by 50. So for 50 how much we should multiply to get 100? 2. So 35 to the 70, 70 by 100. Now we got the marks as 60 by 100, 90 by 100, 80 by 100 and 70 by 100. So if you compare all the denominators are same, then the numerator is which one is great in the unit test? 2. So Pinky got in which unit test marks higher? In the unit test 2. So when we express a quantity as a part of 100, here we use the word percent. Here cent means what? Cent means 100. Okay, so finally we can say, children, percent is nothing but per every 100. The value for every 100. Here the term percent comes from two Latin words, percentum. So which means out of 100. Right? So you know the symbol of percentage. So symbol is nothing but this is a symbol for percentage. Okay. So to express a fraction as a percentage, first we need to convert an equivalent fraction with 100 as a denominator. Just now we have done for Pinky's one. So if a fraction has a denominator as 100, we write it as a percentage. For example, 80 by 100. This is nothing but 80. Suppose if it is 125 by 100, then we write it as 125 percentage. Suppose 6 by 100, we write it as 6 percentage. So finally we can say that if the denominator of a fraction is 100, then the numerator will give you the percentage equivalent to that fraction. Now we are going to learn how to convert percentage into fractions. So first one we are going to learn, children, conversion of fraction into percentage. So how to convert a fraction into percentage, okay? So a fraction can be converted into percentage as, like, first one example, suppose it is 3 by 11. 3 by 11 is a fraction. So multiply the numerator and the denominator of a fractional number by 100. Right? Or express the resulting fraction as a product of a number and the fraction with 1 by 100. Right? See here, 3 by 11 is what? Fraction. So you multiply this fraction with 100%. So how much you will get, children? This as 3 by 3 into 100, 300 by 11. So when you convert this into mixed fraction, 11 2s are 22, 7. So 27, 3 by 11% is the answer. One more example, 7 by 25. So this is the fraction. So when you multiply this fraction with 100%, then 25 ones are 25 fours are. So 7 into 4 is how much? 7 fours are 28%. So how to convert a fraction into percentage? Multiply the fraction by 100. So when you multiply a fraction by 100, so it will give you percentage. Next is conversion of percentage into fraction. So how to convert a percentage into fraction? So a given percentage may be expressed as a fraction by dividing the number of the percentage by 100. So divided by 100. Example. So here how to convert means divide by 100. So example 1, if you have 16% is there. So to remove this percentage symbol and to convert into fraction, just you need to divide 16 divided by 100. So 16 divided by 100, that is 16 into 1 by 100. So to convert this division into multiplication, we need to take the reciprocal of the second number. So 16 into 1 by 100, so that is 16 by 100. When you cancel with this 4 table, 4 4s are 4 25s are. So 4 by 25 is a fraction. Okay. Suppose if the fraction is in mixed fraction, for example 37 1 by 3%. So convert this mixed fraction into improper first. So 3 into 37 plus 1. So 112. 112 by 3%. So how to remove this percentage symbol? Here we need to divide by 100. So 112 by 3 divided by 100, that is 112 by 3 into the reciprocal of 100 is 1 by 100. Right? So here can cancel with the 3 table, 50s are, 2 table, 50s are, 56s are, again 25s are, and here 28. So finally you will get here 28 into 1 28, 3 into 25 75. So 28 by 75 is the fraction of 37 1 by 3 percentage. So next one is conversion of decimal fraction into percentage. So how to convert a decimal fraction into percentage? Here first example 0.87. So 0.87 is a decimal. So first we need to convert this decimal as a fraction first. Then convert that fraction into percentage. That is the procedure. In two steps we need to do, children. So to convert a decimal fraction into percentage, first write decimal fraction as a common fraction. This is the first step, and second step you convert that fraction into percentage. Right? Here 0.87. So convert this into fraction, decimal after two numbers, so 87 by 100. 87 by 100 is a fraction. Now how to convert a fraction into percentage? You should multiply with 100%. So when 0 0 0 0 gets cancelled, so 87% is the answer. Here we will take one more example. 0.026. So convert this decimal as a fraction, 26 by 1000. Now 26 by 1000 is a common fraction. So convert this common fraction into percentage. So 0 0 0 0 gets cancelled. 26 by 10, that is 2.6%. This is how to convert a decimal fraction into percentage. So fourth one, conversion of percentage into decimal fraction. Here first we need to convert that percentage as a fraction, then we need to convert that fraction as a decimal. Here also two steps. So first convert percentage into fraction. How to convert percentage into fraction? By doing division. Second step, convert that fraction into decimal. Okay, so for example 17.5%. Okay, so how to convert this percentage into fraction? By dividing. To remove this percentage symbol we need to divide, children. So 17.5 divided by 100. Okay, so convert this decimal as a fraction, 175 by 100. Division you convert into multiplication into 1 by 100. So finally you will get 175 by 10 into 100,000, that is 0.175. So we have converted this percentage as a decimal. See one more example, if you take 0.06%. So first convert this decimal as a fraction. So 6 by 100 percentage. So how to remove this percentage symbol? We need to divide. So 6 by 100 divided by 100. That is 6 by 100. Convert this division into multiplication, reciprocal of 100. So here you will get 6 by 100 into 100. 100 into 100 is what? 6 by 10,000. That is here 1 after 4 zeros. So decimal after 4 numbers should be there. But here already one number is there. So 0.0006. Right? So in a decimal fraction, if we shift the decimal point 2 places to the right, then we will get a percentage. For example, 0.06 is the decimal. Otherwise, we will take one more. 0.08 is the decimal. How to convert this decimal? Into 100%. So here for 2 zeros, we need to shift this decimal 2 places to the right side. So finally, you will get this as a 8%. Also, if you shift the decimal point 2 places to the left, in the number of percentage, we get the decimal fraction.